Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when a web page loads in your browser? Hypertext markup language is the foundation of every web page. HTML document structure is divided into the document declaration or doc type. This indicate the version HTML in use, the root of tag HTML. This is container of the whole web page. It has opening and closing tags. All display or things in the web page are arranged within the root tag. The root tag contains the head and body of the HTML document. The head tag, this contain HTML elements like title of the web page, meta tag used by search engine, the internal style sheet and links. This shows information about the web page. The body tag contain the visual display of the web page. Most of the HTML elements are placed within the body tag, which shows how things are arranged in the web page. P element for paragraph, H1 to H6 elements for headings within the web page. Here is the complete HTML document structure. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.